Hello guys. So this is the launch video of the classroom offering for CAT 2021 VARC section. Uh, I have been receiving requests consistently for these live classes. Finally, I am rolling them out. So there are 3 classroom offerings. Course 1, the RC Booster. It is an entirely practice-oriented, rigorous course to catapult your RC preparation, to boost your RC preparation. Now, here are the details. You will get to practice more than 80 RCs in a month with me in live classes. That amounts to more than 300 RC questions in a month. CAT past year questions will be covered, and all the questions, all these RCs, more than 80 RCs, will be given to you or will be posted in sectional assignment format. Every assignment will have 4 RCs to simulate the CAT 2020 structure, which we expect to repeat in CAT 2021. So you get, as told earlier, you get live classes 5 days a week. The total number of live sessions in a month, so that totals up to 20. Recordings of all the sessions will be made available for revision purposes. You will be added to a separate Telegram group, not the public group that I have on Telegram, but a separate exclusive Telegram group, so that you can resolve your doubts 24/7. Of course, there is personalized guidance, and the price for this entire package or entire offering is 1099 a month. Once again, in this price, you get to practice more than 80 RCs in live classes with me, more than 300 RC questions, including CAT past year questions, and all of it in sectional assignment format of 4 RCs each, 5 days a week live sessions, total number of sessions in a month, 20. So this was course 1, the first offering, RC Booster. The second course is a VARC Booster. So it is basically a top up on the RC Booster, and add on. Other than the 300 plus RC questions, more than 80 RCs that you get to practice in a month, you are going to get more than 100 verbal ability questions for practice, again with me in live classes format. These 100 verbal ability questions will cover all the question types that we get to see in CAT and OMITS, the common ones, at least SNAP, NMAT, IFT, ZAT, etc. So para jumbles, para summary, para completion, critical reasoning, fill in the blanks, sentence correction, analogies, etc. We get to practice more than 100 verbal ability questions alongside more than 300 RC questions. Again, CAT and OMIT past year questions will be covered. The format remains the same, sectional assignments. Classes for VARC Booster will be conducted all days of the week, 7 days a week. Therefore, the total number of live sessions for a month is 28. Recordings of all the sessions will be provided, will be uploaded within 12 hours for you to revise, or for those of you who might miss a session or two. There is 24/7 doubt resolution here too, personalized guidance here too. The total fees for this course, VARC Booster, is a $14.99 a month. Once again, in $14.99, you get to practice more than 80 RCs with me in live classes, more than 300 RC questions, more than 100 verbal ability questions, including CAT and OMET past year questions, everything in sectional assignment format to prepare you for to work on your exam taking technique or strategy as well. Now here is the flagship offering. These courses are booster courses and supplemental courses. This is my flagship offering, a comprehensive VARC program for CAT and common management interest exams like XAT, IIFT, SNAP, NMAT, etc. A comprehensive VARC program. For those of you who want to start from the scratch, who want to understand the fundamentals of every question type, who want to understand, dig deep into the technicalities of verbal logic and reasoning, who want a structured, well-defined plan to move forward in VARC, this course is meant for those of you. It starts right from the basics, right from zero, right from the scratch. We start from the fundamentals of reading. How to read effectively, what are the principles of active reading, what things should be kept in mind, etc. So fundamentals of reading, how to decode a passage, etc. Everything will be covered. Then it goes through the technicalities of verbal logic and reasoning. So there are some rules of reasoning. There is a framework of reasoning that is discussed here. All the concepts pertaining to verbal logic and reasoning are discussed. And then finally, the course culminates in the concepts of advanced grammar, which will of course be used in the non-CAT exams, OMETs, XAT, IFT, SNAP, etc. Guys, this course is designed in such a way that it will equip you with relevant linguistic knowledge, knowledge of the language, relevant literary skills, how to read, how does a writer write, and really effective, most importantly, really effective approaches to solving all types of questions that you see in CAT and OMETs. Those of you watching this video, I want you to watch it in detail, watch it every bit, so that you understand this offering before you can make an informed decision. Do not skip any part of this particular video, especially this page. This is the detailed course content for the comprehensive VARC program. So we start with an orientation to CAT VARC. The first session is going to be orientation and goal setting. I introduce you to the skills required to ace this section, so to say. And I set out a daily and a weekly plan for you to follow. We set our daily and weekly goals. I tell you about the resources to use for reading. I tell you about how much to read, how to read, what are the activities or exercises that are to be performed while reading, good books that you must pick up, the frequency of reading, etc. So we basically discuss the fundamentals or the goals to be achieved in the first session. Then starts the first module of the course. The first module is a reading theory, which will have 3 sessions, and 2 topics will be covered here in the first module. The first is fundamentals of active reading, in which we cover narratorial voice. We cover structure of a passage, The second part is decryption dynamics, how to decode a passage, how does a writer structure his passage, what are the different types of passage. Yes, there are different types of passage, and our understanding of the different types helps us a lot in solving questions later. So reading theory, fundamentals of active reading, the difference between active reading and passive reading will be covered, and decryption dynamics will be covered in the first module. Second module consists of 4 sessions, and we are going to discuss the main idea theory in the second module. 3 question types will be discussed here: RC main idea, RC title of the passage, and verbal ability paragraph summary. How to identify the main idea, how to identify the title of the passage, how to identify the correct summary of a paragraph, what are the elements, essential elements of paragraph summary, shortcuts, approaches, everything will be discussed here. The third module is the style theory. We discussed the different styles of writing. There are 5-6 different styles of writing. We discuss how to identify the primary purpose of a passage, so that type of question is covered. And we discuss the different tones that an author might, tones and moods that author might write in. In all, the style theory will have 3 sessions. We also, by the way, discuss the relationship between style of writing and the primary purpose of the passage. So this is what we discuss. The fourth module, I personally feel, is the most important offering, is the most important module. That is, in a sense, the USP of this course. Critical reasoning theory. In the words of my students who have already taken these courses, this is the refrain that I get to hear. The critical reasoning module changed their, not just their overall perspective of reading, it changed their overall perspective of real life situations as well. So there are more than 8 sessions on critical reasoning, wherein we discuss in detail the different modes of reasoning, the theory of deductive logic, the fundamentals of categorical logic, conditional logic, the different types of fallacies in reasoning. It's a beautiful concept and a very entertaining concept, I must say. Then how to identify the assumptions in author's argument, one type of question, a common type of question. How to draw inferences from the passage, so that will cover RC inference type of question. The question type, it can be inferred that, so there's a logic, there's theory behind it as well. And RC strengthening and weakening the argument type of questions, how to strengthen the argument, how to weaken the argument, the logic or the theory behind these types of questions. So this is probably the heaviest module 4, critical reasoning. The fifth module, not the last, the penultimate module is paragraph formation theory, which will have 4 sessions, and we discuss para unjumbling, popularly called parajumbles, the odd one out type of question, and para completion question. So these are the offerings. Now the plan is to be done with the first 5 modules by September end. So that in October we can start with the grammar theory, the last module of the course. Why in October? The NMAT window usually opens in October. So these concepts, grammar is an integral part of the non-CAT exams, NMAT 2. So these concepts will be still fresh in your memories. Therefore, we start with the grammar module in October. Then later, when you write IIFT in let's say November or early December, these concepts will still be fresh, hopefully. That is the logic behind putting this grammar module in the end. So grammar theory, it will have more than 10 sessions, by the way. So I have also kept 2 sessions as buffer, just in case. So this is the overall offering. This is what you will get in comprehensive VRC program. But this is not all. In addition to more than 35 live sessions, more than 35 live sessions on VRC theory that we just discussed, these ones, they total to 35, more than 35 in fact. So in addition to these 35 live sessions, this is huge. You get complimentary access to the VARC booster course, which means we are not only discussing the theory here, it becomes a complete package of theory and practice, theory, practice, theory, practice, focusing more on practice. As I always say, VARC is almost entirely, if not at least 70% of it, is skill based, 30% is theory based, but that theory 30% can help you practice much better. That theory 30% can cause a huge drastic difference in your scores, in your overall understanding of the section. So 35 plus live sessions on theory, more than 80 live sessions in the VRC booster, practice sessions essentially. Now the total live classroom hours, therefore, the total number of live classroom hours adds up to 150. In fact, more than that. I'll not be surprised if it goes to maybe 160, 170, 180. So minimum 150 hours of live classroom training with me, involving both theory and practice. Total number of sessions a week for those who are enrolling for this course, comprehensive VRC course, the total number of sessions will be 10 classes, 3 sessions for theory and 7 sessions for booster, for practice. That is the plan. I will come to the schedule, detailed schedule later in the next slide. Now, this is what it adds up to. In all, we are going to practice. You get to practice more than 300 passages. And now that's huge. That number is huge. More than 300 passages with me in live classroom setting. When I say live, I hope it is understood that it is online. So you get to practice more than 300 RCs with me, which is equivalent to more than 1500 questions. This more than 1500, it can go to 16, 1700 too. So total number of questions that you get to practice with me in live classroom setting is more than 1500. Recordings of all the sessions, theory and boosters, will be uploaded within 12 hours again. So it will be provided for revision purposes. It's a 4-month intensive training program leading up to CAT, 4-month leading up to CAT. So basically it involves last mile guidance to exam strategy, analysis of the mock tests, etc. That is also included in this whole comprehensive package. The charges, the important stuff, you get all this: 1500 questions, 300 RCs, 150 hours of live classroom training, coaching, etc. You get all of this in 8,999. That is the fees. There's a special offer, special discount. However, if you enroll before 17th July, midnight, you get an early bird discount of flat 50%. So the effective price for early birds would be 4499. Mind you, it is only till 17th July midnight for early enrollments. So otherwise the course fees is 8,999 for this offering, for the whole comprehensive offering. The GPay number or the Paytm number is mentioned in the description of this video below. You can check that out. Now, the schedule of the classes. Theory classes will be conducted on Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays between 10 and 12. 10 a.m., 10 in the morning to 12 noon. Wednesdays, Saturdays, Sundays. And booster classes will be conducted every day from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. So these are evening classes or late evening classes. So 9 to 10 p.m. booster classes all 7 days of the week, 5 days RC, 2 days VA for availability. Please note that recordings will be uploaded within 12 hours of the live session. Therefore, if these timings do not suit you, if you're not available for most of the week, at exactly these times, you can still keep pace with the course because the recording will be made live. The recording will be uploaded within 12 hours of the live session. So you can keep pace with the course that way. And the classes start from the 24th of July. That's the launch date. That's the starting date of the batch. So 24th of July, please note. So it goes till 24th November. That is 4 months leading up to CAT. A little bit about me, though I do not like to share much about me. I believe I'm a non-entity. There's really nothing special about me to tout. But since some of you keep asking, only some others have seen my work on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. They have watched my videos and that's all they're concerned with. But because some of you might want to know a little bit about me. As a mentor, I have been teaching for CAT, GMAT, and GRE for the past 13 years. In fact, more than 13 years. And in these more than 13 years, I have worked with a variety of institutes, both big and small. I still have offers from some big names in this exam prep industry, offers of all sorts. But I have finally decided to deliver what I, think should be delivered in the name of education. I am kind of disenchanted with the offerings that are purported in the name of education in this industry. People are not focusing enough. This is what I believe. I might be wrong, and there are good people definitely, but I'm talking about the majority. I'm not talking about every institute. I'm not talking about every mentor. So, yes, I have finally decided to deliver what I think should be delivered in the name of education, and that is why I'm rolling these courses out. Till date, I have taught tens of thousands of students who are all now alumni of prestigious schools, both within the country and abroad. So I have students or, who are now alumni of Stanford, Cambridge, almost all IIMs, ISBs, LSE, among others. But that is their achievement. That is their accomplishment, not mine. Though many may say I was instrumental not only in their success on the particular exam, but also in changing their perspective towards life. That is something that I get to hear a lot. I, however, believe that my contribution, if at all, was meager. Ultimately, they were good vessels who could hold whatever they received. They might have received, in fact, from me. And so that's about me. Now, some of you might want to know my credentials. To begin with, let me just assert I do not at all believe that someone's personal record is any sure index of his or her aptitude as a teacher. I see so many people flaunting their CAT scores like this and that. Not that I believe that, you know, the fancy CAT scores make you, or they justify you, they vindicate you as teachers, or they are a sure index of your aptitude as a teacher. But this is the industry, this is how the market functions. So for those of you to whom it matters, I have scored 99.XX percentile in the VRC section, not once but multiple times myself, though I'm not very proud of it, because I still believe that there should be 100 percentile to my name, but that somehow has been an elusive goal. Nonetheless, 13 plus years of teaching experience and the student testimonials and multiple times 99.XX percentile mean that I know my stuff. So this is something you can be sure of. You are in safe hands. Okay, moving on. So if you want to enroll to the course, or you have any queries about the same, please feel free to reach out to me on the Telegram group. The name of the group is CAT Prep, the Verbal Mentor. If you want to avail the early bird discount of 50%, the effective fees for you would be 4499. And if you want to get enrolled right away, a link to the enrollment form has been posted in the description box of this video. Please make sure that you make the payment on the right number. The number is mentioned in the Google box, the description box below, the GPay number, Paytm number. And please make sure after making the payment, you fill this enrollment form. After making the payment, please fill up this enrollment form and mention the transaction ID number, acknowledgement, payment acknowledgement number for our reference. So that's it. Hope to see you in the classes, guys. Let the learning begin. Xiao. Bye-bye.